Sammy.
Are you videotaping?
Uh-huh.
You're a meteor! No, I'm not a meteor. I'm not a meteor. I'm the meteor now. Ashley, Kayla, I'm the meteor now. Okay. Alright, come on. Run! No. No. No, I know what I'm gonna be.
Cutie.
I'm an alien in outer space. Well, if you're an alien, I'm gonna show you. I'm a meteor.
Diana, can I put your children on
I'm
YouTube?
gonna show you what I want to be. Stop calling me words.
Can I put your children on YouTube? Sweet.
Yeah.
Don't jump, please.
Oh. Sammy, I think Mommy told you no jumping. Yes.
I'm playing PS.
What are you playing, Diana?
Just playing the Magic.
Babysitters, I'm kind of...
Oh, that's a weird game. The babies look funny.
I don't really understand what's going on here.
Hayden.
What are you guys doing? Uh-oh.
Kayla, the meteor is coming. The scary meteor. I'm not a meteor anymore. You are a meteor. Wait, I'm the meteor. Uh-oh, the bottom will spill monster. Hurry, hide. The bottom will spill monster. I'm the snow monster. And I'm here. Battery's not included.
Sorry. What are you singing?
Look! I have spell powers to freeze him! I know. What should I need to be now? Bam! You are now frozen. Reagan!
Sammy, sing me a song.
Sammy!
No? You're safe. Uh-oh.
This is my house. I'm a Spider-Man.
What do you got? Are you poking? Uh-oh.
And I am a spider. Kayla. That is not clueless. Barbie sold separately.
Are you a Barbie now? Your sister's playing with a stick.
Better is not included. Barbie not included separately. A spider. I'm a spider. I can fight it. Go get her.
Sammy, are you a spider too?
I have feet.
Yeah.
I can see her underwear. Finger rings.
Reagan. Sammy, what are you doing over there?
Try to catch me. I'm over here. You have a video on your camera?
Yeah, I'm videotaping you. You want to dance for me? Do a little dance. No? Do a little dance. Oh, Kaden, nope, don't play with the water.
But I need to get her.
Not with the water.
Well, I'm
Kaden, what did I just say?
gonna find I can
Okay.
my firebomb.
Oh, not in the mud. Get out of the mud.
Spider.
Don't go in the house now. Your feet are muddy. No, no. Okay.
I'm gonna kill Reagan with my firebomb.
Uh-uh.
You've never read this?
Mm-mm.
Spider.
Wendy.